This is Poole, and it's lift tour time. This is part 2, so enjoy. This is the lift at Dolphin Centre car park. ThyssenKrupp. H.
Doors closing.
H.
Capacity 20 persons, 1,500 kilos.
H. Floor. Doors opening.
These doors again.
Here's the standard lift there.
There's the
Doors
scanner.
closing.
Go back down to B.
Back to B. So we've got this display over here. And this one as well.
RJ lifts.
Doors opening.
That's it. This is the other lift at Dolphin Shopping Centre car park. Green display in the outside.
Going up.
Different floors this time. We'll go up to J.
Doors closing.
RJ lifts again as a standard lift. 20 persons, 1,500 kilos, like the ThyssenKrupp. Let's go!
Level J. Doors opening.
And here are the ThyssenKrupp lifts over here.
And that's where we go.
It's very grotty in here. Go
Door
back down to B.
There's no display on this side, only the panel.
Yeah, I saw that.
Level B. Doors opening.
That's it. Here's the Benny lift at Poole bus station. No, actually, Dolphin Shopping Centre car park. What am I on about? Let's go up.
Yeah, that's it.
Smells of wee. Go up to GHI.
Doors closing.
Benny display. Display over here.
Level G H I.
It should be GHJ.
Doors opening.
There's no level I in here.
I love
Right.
the old Benny. The old Benny stuff.
Here's the
is so good.
GHI. Or GHJ or
The
whatever it's called.
indicator.
Doors closing.
Go back down to B. RJ lifts yet again.
Yeah, I think they must do all of them.
E. C. B. Bit rattly. Rubbly.
Level
It is a little
B.
bit.
10 persons, 680 kilos.
Doors opening.
And
I love that
that's
plastic.
it. And that's it. This is the lift at Dolphin Shopping Centre. Jackson lift.
Take it to one.
This used to be Otis, but it was modernised by Jackson.
Jackson mod.
Cheap generic indicator, well not cheap, just generic. Ooh, Dolphin Shopping Centre.
Here's a quick tour. There's Tyler.
20 persons, 1,500 kilos.
Here's the first floor.
Doors opening.
That's it. This is the down escalator at Dolphin Shopping Centre. Nice view, look at this. Starbucks over here. That's it. This is the escalator at Beales and Poole. Schindler these are. There's the down escalator. The second floor has been converted into some health store. Oh, the second floor is actually working.
I love these shit.
Here's the down escalator. That goes down to the first floor that we're on right now. Nice view of the escalators here. That's it for the up. Here's the down escalator at Beales and Poole. There's the up escalator. And there's the lift just down there. Very squeaky. That's it. This is the lift at Beales and Poole. Go up to 1.
Doors closing.
Leicester boys.
Lift Tech Express.
Going up.
I don't care about how crap this lift is, so let's walk around it. Whee! Crane hoppers, the crap hoppers.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1.
Open.
Go back down to G.
This lift's so huge. Let me stand in this corner.
Going down.
Going crap. Can't believe they modernised that Schindler lift.
Ground floor. Doors open.
That's it. This is the lift at Key Visitors Car Park.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
We'll go up to M.
Doors closing.
Display doesn't work, unfortunately. It's a Dyson. Nice motor, listen to that.
This is really nice.
750 kilo. It's 10 persons. 2002.
M floor.
Here we are, M.
Doors opening.
Ooh, very high. Go down to A.
Doors closing.
I think this used to be an old display in the doorway. Quite a small lift. Let's look at it.
A floor.
Here we are, A.
Doors opening.
A for anchor. And we'll go back up to C, which is the enter and exit level.
Doors closing.
It's going to be a short journey today
Yeah.
on this lift.
C floor.
Here we are back at C.
Doors opening.
And that's it. This is the other lift at Key Visitors Car Park. Go up. M's the top floor if you're interested to know.
It's really good that there's 2 lifts.
Yeah. Good for the disabled. Oh, so I have the K again. There's the car park over here. C for crab. Here it is.
Doors closing.
Go to M.
Doors closing.
It's a standard lift. Capacity 20 persons, 1,500 kilos. Oh, we go to A.
A.
Oh, I think someone's going to go in it because we pressed M.
Doors opening.
Oh. Never mind.
Doors closing.
A. Go up to M now. Full journey going up. Let's see how this motor sounds.
M.
Here we go. M.
Doors opening.
Oh, there's a ladder here.
Ooh.
Doors
Let's go up to
closing.
the moon.
Doors opening.
Oh, there's an N floor. Go back down to C.
Doors closing.
Back to C we go.
K.
K.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
That's A. That's D.
Doors closing.
K's a bit of a dodgy floor in this lift.
I think they called it. There were some people there.
Yeah.
Not quite sure what they were up to.
C.
Back at C.
Woo!
Doors opening.
That's it. This was the second episode of It's Lift Tour Time, also inspired by Bello Lifts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy your next videos.